Hello, dear friend. This is Mohammed Beiksade. I wish you have a great day. Guys, today I want to talk to you about an essential issues. Today we want to consider how we can prioritize the reason of the failures, and how we can understand which reason is more important and which one is less important. So, about this topic, we have a huge number of tools. Please pay attention that some tools are such as Fishbone's FMEA diagram, Pareto chart, and priority matrix. The first point before my explanation I should mention is that this part of the topic is related to analyze phase. As you know, analyze phase is an important and essential step in different quality topics, quality methods such as ISO, Kaizen, or Six Sigma. Dear friend, after the brainstorm, the first diagram which is used is the Fishbone's diagram. Our intention is to categorize the cause of the failures in 6 main categories. We want to know that which cause is related to human mistake and which one is related to uh, measurement method, which one is related to the method of the production, and which one is related to environmental factors, and which one is related to the material. So our intention in this part is just to categorize factors. But please pay attention that whatever our line is closer to the main line is a primary causes. It means that it's more important than those lines which is far away from the main line. After that, we categorize the reasons in Fishbone's diagram. We should move to the FMEA chart. Please pay attention. In this part, we try to prioritize uh, failure reasons. It means that whatever RPN score is higher is more important for us. So RPN score is the multiple of the 3 numbers or 3 scores: the score of the severity, the score of the occurrence, and detection. Today, I just want to explain briefly about these 3 scores. In another day, in another clip, I will explain completely about FMEA chart. Dear friends, please pay attention that the severity, occurrence, and detection scores is a score between 1 to 10. About the severity, it shows the impact of the factor on our project, in the whole of the project. If it's a 1, it means that it has a low impact. If it's a 10, it has a high impact. About occurrence, occurrence is a number between 1 to 10 too. If it's a 1, it has a low probability to happen. If it's a 10, it means that definitely it will happen. About the detection score shows that how it's possible we can detect the failure before it happens. Detection score is different from occurrence and severity, dear guys. Detection score, if it's a high, it shows that we have a low chance to observe it. And if it's a low, it means that we have a high chance to observe the failure before it happens. Guys, please pay attention. In FMEA chart, we cannot involve the financial factors. As you know, financial factors, financial consequence plays an important role in our priorities, but unfortunately we cannot use this. So it's recommended that Pareto chart is used after that, after the FMEA chart, because on Pareto chart we can design and involve financial factors in our priorities. Please pay attention. According to the concept of the Pareto chart, 80% of the failures, it means that 20% of the reasons are for 80% of the failures. It's a general concept of the Pareto chart. And I think that it's a good factor, it's a good tools for us for our final decision. Because after FMEA, we can involve financial factors in our decisions, and in this chart we have a clear consequence, clear important informations about the causes of the failure. But please pay attention that after that Pareto chart, we can place the reason of the failure on priority matrix. So in priority matrix, we have two type of information: importance and urgency. When we call something in this chart, we call something important, it means that it adds the value on our project. When we call it urgent, it means that it needs the immediate reaction, immediate function. So our priority is our first priority is that our factor, it's add the value on our project and it needs the immediate reaction. Our second priority is that it add the value, but it doesn't need the immediate reaction. And honestly, the last one is related to that one, which it doesn't add any value to our project and it doesn't need any immediate reaction. And sometimes it's possible that some project managers ignore it and it's not important. But the point is that we usually importance is much more important than urgency for us. It means that adding value on our project is a key factor for us. Dear guys, today my video is finished. Please don't deprive us from your opinions regarding to this topic. Please share your view with us and let us know about your point. I hope you find it useful, and I wish I can explain clearly. Thank you so much. Have a great day.